Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPad is unlocked, Bluetooth is on, and Find My is enabled for devices. Once done, open Settings Bluetooth to see if the pencil appears connected or recently connected. That gives a live radius. Make sure to check the last place you used it and immediate charging locations. You'll move fast. Rapidly scan couch seams, pockets, and desk edges while using a flashlight at low angles to reveal outlines and reflections. Now you focus on the iPad's tools and a disciplined search pattern. Open the Find My app and check devices or items for the Apple Pencil. If it shows a location or last seen note, head there next. Once there, divide the area into a simple grid and clear one zone completely before moving on. This prevents repeated work. Make sure to use tactile techniques. Slide hands along bookshelf edges, unzip bags, and squeeze couch cushions while listening for the pencil's subtle knocks. You wrap up with final recovery actions and a troubleshooting tip. First, recheck Bluetooth device lists and the pencil serial in settings if shown, then inspect the iPad's magnetic attach and charging area closely. If unsuccessful, restart your iPad and toggle Bluetooth. This can refresh proximity info. Once done, retrace your last 24 to 48 hours of activity methodically. If all else fails, consider contacting Apple support or prepare for replacement. But first, make sure you've thoroughly rechecked all pockets and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.